Good day everyone. Today we will present to you our pitch for the environment entitled Weaving the Future Plastic Bags in HDPE Furniture Project. So let's start with the problem statement.
Plastics are used in our daily supplies in different manufacturers and products that we consume and use. But because of toxic components which the plastic contains, it largely contributes to the devastation of our environment. In accordance to the researchers from Bangladesh who conducted a study entitled Toxic Effects of Plastics on Humans and Environment shows that there are toxic materials which is secreted on plastics and have the toxicity on both human and environment. And it releases toxic substances on soil, and when it burned, it increases the air pollution.
Given the problem of excessive plastic waste and its effect to the people and the environment, we came up with the idea of repurposing plastic bags and HDPE plastics into a useful and profitable furniture such as tables and chairs. The materials we need will be collected from households such as plastic bags to make ropes and HDPE plastics to make plastic lumbers. The plastic lumbers will then be constructed and serve as the supporting frame for the furniture while the plastic ropes will be used in weaving parts of it. In making plastic ropes, we need to cut clean plastic bags into loops at least 2 inches wide. After that, we will make chains out of it. Then we will make ropes using the chained plastics with traditional rope making technique, which is twisting it manually. We can also use rope twisting machine, but we still consider the skills we can gain in doing it manually.
In making the HDPE lumber, the first thing you need to do is to select a mold, which is the square tube for the structures of furniture. Then assemble it connected to the tube of the plastic extrusion machine, wherein the melted HDPE will go there. Next is to cut into small pieces the HDPE to melt it easily and put it in the machine. Then let the machine do the melting. After that, take up from the tube of the machine the square tube if it is full. Then cool it down from the water because it has a lot of pressure inside of it. Lastly, unbox it and get a final product, which is the HDPE lumber. The comparison of HDPE blocks by Manuel Mas and to our proposed project, which is the furniture, I could say that our proposed project is more helpful in reducing the plastic waste in the community because our proposed project needs a lot of plastic. We are not only focusing on HDPE, but we collect also the plastic bag, which is very useful today. Unlike the project of Manuel Mas, only focus on HDPE. The furniture creates greater value because of the benefits it has, such as income, reduce the plastic in the community, and last, the skills that the beneficiaries will get.
The general objective of this project is to help reduce plastic waste, as the rapid increase in the development of disposable plastic products overwhelms the country's ability to deal with them. Often in plastics, there are additives to make them durable and more flexible, but most of these additives take several years before being decomposed, and while decomposing, it produces methane and carbon dioxide gases which can affect the soil and cause pollution. In addition to reducing plastic waste and also plastic pollution, it can also be profitable and even occupational.
How to make it cost effective. But first, what are the causes of global warming and climate change? It's the plastics, right? But we can weave plastics into profitable product to make value on it. So this project will help the tribe to make income by recycled plastics into furnitures. It will create opportunity to make a better income and create their own job.
As for the beneficiaries of this project, the chosen indigenous people in Maribeles, Bataan, which is the ETA of Magbuki, are expected to learn or enhance their skills in furniture making such as crafting, weaving, and personal skills of being creative. The idea of HDPE furniture can help them to earn a profit and to lessen the pollution in the environment.
And for the timeline, the activities are collection of plastic materials and the estimated time is 2 months, making the plastic rope 2 weeks, making the HDPE lumber 1 month, making the furniture frames 1 week, weaving 1 week, testing the furniture 1 day, sharing the process to the beneficiaries 1 week.
Budgetary requirements. These are just estimated values. For transporting of materials, rental will cost 5,000 pesos. Extruder machine rental for a week will cost 35,000 pesos. Electric bill 1,500 pesos. Portable cutting machine 3,000 pesos. Furniture's durability testing machine rental for a week 10,500 pesos. And other materials such as screws, steel wires, etc. 1,000 pesos, with a total amount requested of 56,000 pesos.
And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.